Yes, in this video we are going to discuss about the world of microbes in a unit 22, page number 258. For the last video we are discussed that introduction part. We are seen what types of microbes. First thing, just have to recall once again what is the introduction part. We are seeing microbiology. We call it as a branch of biology, right? And their living area, what are the benefits, that is the effects, that is the harmful effects also we are seeing that, and where they are living we are seeing now. So in this video we are going to discuss about the microbes and their types. Okay ma, in this video we are going to discuss about the microbes and their types. Here types, we call how we, when we are called as a types, it's showing some variations. Okay, that only we are called as a types of microbes. Microbes nale we know na, microorganism. So microorganism la sila differentiations irukkalam, adha base panni nama differ pannalam solranga. First thing, just see this, microbes are differ in the size. Okay, it may be a 5 meter or 1 manometer la solluvom illaya, அந்த மாதிரி size micrometer la solluvom illaya, அந்த மாதிரி size la difference ah irukkalam. Morphology, which mean external features இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் டிஃப்ரென்ஸாக இருக்கலாம். ஹேபிடேட், which mean living areas. ஓகேவா, வாட்டர் சர்ஃபேஸில் இருக்கும், சிலது பார்த்தோன்னாக்கா டெரஸ்ட்ரியல் ஏரியாவில் இருக்கும், எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் ஹீட்டில் இருக்கும், எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் கோல்டில் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஹேபிடேட்டை பேஸ் பண்ணி ஜஸ்ட் they are differ. And metabolism, some of chemical reaction inside our body helpful for the normal functioning of our cell structures. Okay, that is what metabolism. So here they are showing some of the difference in the micro or in between the microorganism. Okay, here not only that, and we already know that microorganisms, we know that microscopic structure in solliyachu. It may be a single cell, that is a unicellular or multicellular. Okay, it may be differ in the what, unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular, which means they are a single cell. Multicellular, multi nale they are more than one. Okay, multicellular. There given an example here. Unicellular example is bacteria, you know the bacteria, and multicellular fungi. Fungi nale that's a mushroom family mari. So yeah, fungi. And not only that, unicellular and multicellular, there another cellular level is also there, that is the acellular. What is an A? Which means absence of cellular level, which means they are not having a perfect organelle. Cell organelles are cell walls are perfect irukad. Okay, that is the what, acellular. Here they are given some of the example of acellular. Virus, composed of cell virus. A virus is virions nu kuda solluvaanga. Virions nu eppo solluvaanga, they are having a proper cell structures na virions nu solluvaanga. Okay va, so here based on the some of the types, that is the size பொறுத்து differ பண்ணலாம், morphology, habitat பொறுத்து, metabolism பொறுத்து differ பண்ணலாம். And not only that, based on the unicellular, multicellular and acellular, other base பண்ணியும் we have to differentiate that. Okay, and this is what a basic types of microorganisms. இதெல்லாம் பேஸ் பண்ணி டைப் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு பேசிக்ஸ். ஓகேவா, இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி டைப் பிரிக்கலாம்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அண்ட் ஹியர் தே ஆர் கிவன் அ நேம் ஆஃப் microorganism as a types. Okay, first one is the bacteria. What is the first one? Bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae, protists. Okay, just have to say it again. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae and protists. Okay ma, so these are all these some types that only we are going to discuss in that lesson for a detailed way. First one, bacteria. Let me see there are bacteria. Yes, here the first type of a microorganism is bacteria. We already said na, bacteria comes under the unicellular, right? So here bacteria is a microscopic. We already say that is a unicellular, so single celled, prokaryotic cell. How, when we are said a prokaryotic na, they are not having any proper cell organelles, that is a single cell, they are not having any proper cell organelles na, that comes under the prokaryotic. Okay, it may be having a with or without nucleus, or sorry, organelles. Okay va, organelles na enna, inside the vacuoles, mitochondria, cytoplasms la irukum illaya, inside of a cell part they are having a some organelles. Okay va, it may be present or absent in the eukaryotic cell. That is the bacteria la or cells irukuna. So just imagine this is the one cell. Here they are having a nucleus, Here they are having a mitochondria, a vacuoles, a DNA and ribosomes. Like that they are having a number of organelles, right? இப்போ பாக்டீரியால யூனிசெல்லுலார் சொல்லியாச்சு. we already say that they are without absence னு சொல்லியாச்சு இல்லையா? அப்போ நியூக்ளியஸ் ஆப்சன்ட்ல இருக்கும் and cell organelles, remaining cell organelles எல்லாமே absenceல இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? that is only a what? A prokaryotic cell. Here they are vary from that. What is a variations na? The size vary from less than 1 to 10 micrometer in length or 0.2 to 1 micrometer width. Length, what is a length ma? Length may be 1 to 10 micrometer or width may be 0.2 to 1 micrometer width irukuma. Seriya? So this is a size of a bacteria, and here some of the bacteria are motile and non-motile. What is a motile? Which mean movable. Move pannu. Here a non-motile na? A non-movable. Okay. Here movable and a non-movable bacteria are present. They are having some flagella. ஓகேவா? மூவபிள்க்குனா தேர் ஆவே பாடி லெவலில் மூவபிள் பண்ணும், சிலதை ஃப்ளஜெல்லாவோட மூவபிள் பண்ணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ மொட்டைலாகவும் இருக்கும், நான் மொட்டைலாகவும் இருக்கும். ஹியர் they are having a special structure. Which one? A bacteria having a special structure is called a flagella. For an example, tail-like structures. Just like this. They are having a hair-like structures in their body wall that called as a flagella. Okay, and here they are present in the cell surface area. This is a cell surface area. Okay, it is helpful for the motility. Motility na, that is a what? Movement. Okay va? Motility ku helpful la irukum the flagella. Okay ma? So that's it for a basic view about the bacteria, and let me move on shapes of bacteria. Let me see this. Yes, here the next one is the shapes of bacteria. Here they are having a 3 shapes. First one is the spherical, and next one is the rod, and next one is the spiral. Spherical nale there is the spherical or oval, round in shape. Okay, and next one is the rod in shape. So this is the rod, and next one is the spiral in shape. So this is the spiral. Okay, rod in shape and spherical in shape. Okay, ma. So these are all the what? Shapes of bacteria. Just see this. First one is the spiral shape. Spiral is an example of cocci. Cocci is an example of a spiral shaped bacteria occur from the single cell. They occur in the what ma? Single cell. We already say that bacteria is a single cell. So all the shapes of bacteria ellame single cells la dhaan varum. Seriya? And next one is the rod shaped example, bacillus. Okay, what is the next one? Sorry, bacilli. Okay, what is an example for a rod shaped bacteria? Bacilli. These are types of bacteria. And next, this one also a single cell. And next one is the spiral. Spiral shaped example enama? Spirilla, a spirillum for a single cell. Okay, so these are all the some example of shapes of bacteria. Spiral, round shape na cocci. Next rod shape na bacilli. Spiral shape na spirilla. Okay, so these are all the some example. And next one is the do you know part, and next shapes and size of bacteria ku just below la kuduthirukanga pa in page number 259. Yes, here the do you know part, and next to the shapes of bacteria. Okay, here our scientist name is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Okay, who is he abin pathonaka? He is a microbiologist. Okay ma, who is he? He is a microbiologist. He first designed his own microscope. ஒரு microscope design பண்ணாரு. சரியா? இந்த year of 1674ல design பண்றாரு. Okay ma, design பண்ணி what he has done என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, just plaque இருக்கு இல்லையா, and has a own teeth. teethல ஒரு mouth teethல they are forming a white colorல ஃபார்ம் இல்லையா, அதை என்ன பண்றாரு, just ஒரு ஐஸ்டிக்கால எடுத்து மைக்ரோஸ்கோப்ல வச்சு பார்க்கறாரு. என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, just a tiny organisms மூவ் ஆகிறத அப்சர்வ் பண்றாரு. ஓகேவா? with the help of a microscope. He observe own teeth at any microorganisms. Okay, இதை வந்து naked eye-ஆல பார்க்க முடியுமானா பார்க்க முடியாது. Okay, so here's a designing of on microscope. Okay, so that's it for today class. I hope you have to understand to that. Just follow all the things in your observation note, and I gave some of the question answer to you. That is an assignment part. Just copy in your class note. Okay student, thank you. In the next class we are going to discuss on the structure of bacterial cell and viruses. Okay, thank you.